Greetings from Thailand Knitwear Garment Factory in Vietnam. We are glad to introduce you our reversible capsule, one of the special capsules in our collection. These styles are suitable for people who are interested in traveling. With one piece of garment, you can wear in both sizes. It will help to lighten your traveling luggage, but you still have different styles to change in your photo shoot. We have many kinds of reversible garments such as t-shirt, tank top, dress, shorts, leggings. We specialize in reversible styles from many kinds of fabric. We can make fashionable, activewear, or even maternity reversible styles. We offer two options of reversible garments. We can make double layers with two different fabrics, or we can make one layer where two sides of fabric look different. Double layer styles is from lightweight fabric, with solid in one layer and printed in the other layer. Whereas the other reversible styles is from one layer of fabric only, but you can wear it in both sides. One side is from solid, the other side is from printed. You can diversify your style by wearing two different t-shirt colors in only one garment. Reversible styles make you feel more convenient when traveling because of its flexibility and diversity. You can take many photos with different color combinations in only one type of garment. If you need to look more introduction, more capsule, please contact us by email kiki@lxc.vn. Thank you.